Welcome to this tutorial, where I will show you how to enable Caller ID in the Viber app on your phone. Caller ID allows you to see who is calling before you answer, making it easier to decide whether to pick up. This feature is especially useful for avoiding unwanted calls and staying informed. First, open the Viber app on your phone. Next, tap on More located at the bottom right corner. Then, from the menu, select Settings. After that, tap on Calls and Messages. Next, choose Caller ID from the options available. Then, tap on Turn on Now to start the activation process. After this, you will be prompted to grant permission. Tap on Grant Permission. Next, your phone will open the Display over Other App settings. Find Viber in the list of applications. Finally, toggle the switch to turn on permissions for the Viber app. By following these simple steps, you have now successfully enabled Caller ID in Viber. This will help you identify callers quickly and make better decisions when receiving calls.